YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Migo, the entrepreneur, man. I'm back with another banger, man. I'm about to get on this super dirty house wash. It's really dirty in the back and on the sides. I'm just getting here. As you can see, I'm pulling my hoses. I'm gonna go this way. I'm pulling my hoses, stretching everything out, getting everything right. Let me cut this water off because my tank full. So let me turn that water off. My tank full, good for now. Alright. Yeah, man, I hope everybody having a great morning. You know, we about to get it. I'm still pulling. I just like to go on and stretch all my hoses on out. Go on and get them stretched so I know how to move, you know what I'm saying? My bad, y'all, that water dripped on their phone and did some crazy stuff. But yeah, you got to have enough hoses though. You want to have more than enough. See, I just stretched out 150 foot. And I got another 50 right there in the cut. You know what I'm saying? So I'm good. We just really get here. See everybody go. I got my downstream injector on already. I'm gonna get my nozzles out real quick. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using for today, my nozzles. This ain't nothing but a simple house wash, man. All I'm gonna need is my J-Rod. It's a little slab in the back. It's dirty, so I'm gonna need my turbo nozzle. And I'm gonna need my X-Jet. That's all we using for today. Might even tighten up this mailbox. Look at that. Look at that, y'all can see that better? Oh, that sun be beaming kind of crazy. It's dirty. We finna touch it up. Let me get that down because I'm gonna hit all that. Oh, that's getting hit. I'm gonna put my turbo nozzle on that. I'm gonna do what I can for it. I don't know. I'm gonna put some chemicals on it. I don't know. I don't know. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna see what we can do for it. But we definitely coming up through here. And it ain't nothing but vinyl, so it's gonna be easy. Get this thing washed up real good. It's dirty back here. We gonna tighten all this up right here. All this. Just the slab right here. We'll be back later to probably do all that one day when we get booked to do it, but I only do what I'm here to do or get paid to clean. Yeah. This is what we got though, y'all. I'm about to crank up and I'm about to get into it. I want y'all to see how dirty this is because we about to get it popping. Y'all stay tuned, man. We about to make it glow. Show. It's dirty up in there. It's dirty. We about to bring it back. Y'all see that? That's what we do every day. Put a hot mix on that if we got to. We ready. Don't none of this stuff stand a chance against us, man. You know what I'm saying? We on it. Let's go. I'm gonna start on this side first. This side ain't so dirty. So I'm gonna go on and start on this side and work my way around. I'm gonna go on and even though it's cool out here, I'ma still go on and pre-soak everything to go on and cool down whatever before I put that chemical on it. I'ma still go on and pre-wet everything. You don't gotta pre-wet it, but I do. It helps me get the grass wet, all the grass and whatever plants around it. You know what I'm saying? So it won't kill nothing. We ain't trying to kill nothing. We trying to make stuff clean and make some money. We ain't trying to have to spend no money. I'm gonna go on and rinse, pre-soak all this right here, and then I'm gonna apply the solution. Then we gonna rinse this, and we gonna do the other side. The other side dirty, and the back side we gonna go and knock this out and get to the good part. All right, let's go. Always apply your chemical from the bottom to the top and rinse from the top to the bottom. All right, prevent all streaking, you know what I'm saying, and just problems that you don't want. And don't never let it oversit, especially in the hot sun, because you're gonna have some problems. All right, you're gonna have some problems. It's gonna dry up real quick. Might get some oxidation going for yourself if you don't rinse it good enough. Y'all stay tuned. Gonna get this side hit, all that. I sprayed them fences. I'm finna apply the chemical to this side. Let it be getting some good dwell time on it while I go rinse everything else from over there back over here, and watch how clean it be. I might have to put another coat on it since it's so dirty, but I might not, because I'm gonna let it get good dwell time, and I'm gonna give it a good coating the first time. So we gonna see. And it's a 4 gallon a minute machine I'm using too. If anybody want to know what I'm using, 4,000 PSI. It's a Hotzi. I got a 5 gallon too, but it's new. I ain't got no truck yet, so I'm gonna wait till I get another truck, and then I'm gonna put that new one on there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let that sit. We'll be back. Look how that's dripping off of there. It's dripping. You know, it's just dripping off. It's just making it roll on off of there. Look at that. Just running. Look at that. That'll be gone in a minute, watch. Anybody ever have, like, those spots right there still in on your garage doors in the corner after you've been and sprayed your chemicals on it? Just get you a little pump-up spray or something, put a hot mix in it and spray it and watch what it be. It's gonna disappear, watch. I'm gonna show you. I had to come back and hit this side again. I told y'all, one application ain't gonna be enough, but two gonna be just right. See, we came back, look at it. Now I'm about to apply my chemical to it again and watch the difference on it. Let's see what that did. It cleaned that up, cleaned that fence up good. Cleaned that up, all right. That still need to be hit some more. Yeah, we gotta give them an estimate on this fence too. Clean that up for them. Yeah, I'm gonna go and apply my chemical to this again. And then we're gonna go to the back, y'all, and touch up that slab in the back of the house. It's dirty too. We're gonna go on and apply it to this. And we're gonna go on and get to that back real quick. Stay tuned, let's see what we got. We'll get this back sprayed down, get this patio slab cleaned up, and I'm gonna show y'all the finishing results, man. Y'all stay tuned. We got a little prep work going back here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Here that y'all. Clean. This side right here had oxidation on it, so I had to be careful. You don't want to disturb that. Got an oxidation video coming up. Clean. Get what you want. Clean up and through there. Look at that. Clean. Everything clean. You know, shit, that stuff is clean. Look at that. That's what you want. Wow, look at that fence, clean. Front, I sprayed it. Look at that. That's what you want, man. That's what you want your stuff to look like. All this is clean. 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 Get what you want, man. Stick with me, I'ma have you right. I'ma have you right. Beautiful. Slab clean. Got that thing back. Yes, sir. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. We out of here. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Till the next one, we gone. Till the next one, y'all. I'm out of here, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all help your boy get to 1,000 subscribers, man. Tap in, man. Look at that. That's beautiful. I got this thing clean out here, man. Yeah. Brown watching TV, let's go. Katy, Georgia. In the building. Oh yeah, y'all look it up. I brought that mailbox back to life too. Brought that thing back. Oh yeah. We ain't play. When we come back before the summertime, we're gonna do the driveway, the curbs, the fence in the back, on just the inside, and it's like concrete in the back. We're gonna do all that too when we come back. But until then, I love y'all, man. We out of here.